I just unboxed my new Blink Mini security camera and I'm going to show you how to quickly set it up and test it out. The instructions on the inside of the box the camera came in says to download their Blink Home Monitor app, plug the camera in, and then connect it to the app. So let's go ahead and get started. The camera comes with a charging cable and I've already plugged it into the camera, and now we're going to take the other end of the cable and plug that into the power adapter that it comes with. Then I'll take the power adapter and plug that into a power outlet. Instantly you can see the LED lights on the camera light up solid green on the left and blinking blue on the right. This means the camera is ready for pairing mode. So I'm going to go ahead and peel off the plastic across the camera lens, and then we'll jump into the app setup. I found the app in the App Store and already installed it, but if you've got an Android device, go ahead and install it from the Play Store. If you don't have a Blink account, you can go ahead and select Create Account. Since I already created my account, I'll go ahead and select Sign In. Once I provide my email and password, the app will display with a plus sign at the top right corner. Tap this and select Mini Cameras from the list. This will allow you to add your Blink Mini device to the app. Select Allow so the Blink app can get access to your camera. Next, you have the option to scan the QR code on the back of your Blink Mini camera, or you can refer to the back of the camera and manually type the serial number. Once the app recognizes your camera's serial number, you'll be prompted to name your camera. Next, tap on Discover Device. At this point, the app will try to pair with your camera, so make sure your camera is plugged in and powered up. Then it will ask you to join your Wi-Fi network, so tap on Join. After a few moments, it will ask to find your Blink camera on your network, so tap on Allow. The next screen will display all the Wi-Fi networks it was able to detect, so tap on your Wi-Fi network from the list so it can join it. It might take a few moments, so I've sped this part up, but once it attempts to connect to your Wi-Fi, you'll be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi username and password. Once authenticated into your Wi-Fi network, you'll see an on-screen confirmation. Click Done, and the next few screens will contain some information about the Blink trial and cloud storage, which, by the way, are both optional. We're at the last screen, and now we can test out the picture quality on the camera. It starts to initialize, and then the camera instantly comes to life after I tap on the play button. And you can see the picture is quite clear, and overall the quality is very decent. I can even tap on the mic to activate the two-way audio.